Something that I found a lot of people need to do in Adobe Express is combine files that are already animated. And here I have different thumbnails that I made for YouTube that are all animated, and I wanted to have them go, scene by scene, back to back, but it's not easy. So if I delete these, actually, let me just delete the other scenes. If I add a scene and I just pull one of my previous files in. It does pull in, but it's not animated. It will only pull in as an image, which is not what I wanted. And there is no way to really pull in an animated file as a new scene, unfortunately. But there is a backdoor way to do it. And I'm just going to show you how. You need 2 Adobe Express windows open. So I'm going into a separate Adobe Express here. I'm going to My Stuff, and I'm going to find the file that I want to bring in. And I'm going to make the window a little smaller just so we can see them both side by side. And now if I go into this project, this file, I need to rectangular select everything. So I'm just going to left click on my mouse and grab the whole thing. Then push Control-C, copy, and I'm going to go back to the one that I want to edit. I'm going to add scene, and now with that scene selected, I'm going to Control-V, and sometimes it takes 2 attempts there. There we go. So it was pasted in and the animation along with it, which is exactly what I wanted. Say I want them to be the same length of time. This one's 5 seconds, this one's 2.5. I can just right click the one that I want to match timing with and then apply duration to all. And now that will make them the same length. You don't have to do that, but sometimes you might want to. And now just for example, I can add one more scene and do it again. So I'm just going to go back to my other browser window here and go to My Stuff. Actually, I need to go all the way back to my files here. And I'll find the next one that I want to combine with the group. How about this one? So same deal. I just rectangularly select everything and Control-C, or you can right click and just copy. And then go back into the one that you're editing, go to your blank scene. You can then right click and paste. Allow, and everything has been pasted in with its animation exactly how I wanted. And I need to adjust this layer timing as well, so I'm just going to go on one that's the right length, apply duration to all, and now they are all the same timing. So this is the backdoor way to combine separate animated files that you've already made into one new file as scenes. I have a feeling Adobe Express is going to fix this and make it a lot simpler in the coming months or years, but for now, this is the only way I can figure out how to do it, and I hope that this helped you guys if you're having the same issue that I had. I will see you in another vid. Thanks.